In Port of Oslo, we have taken in use our micro ROV, or also called underwater drone. We use the drones for mapping the seabed, and we recently have the divers cleaning up areas previously mapped by our micro ROV, or also drone. And this proves that the drone is an effective way of doing easy searches. And instead of arranging a lot of divers to map for us, we can use it ourselves, and by that it's cheaper and more effective for us. We are looking into other types of technology continuously to find the best tools to clean the water and also to prevent garbage for getting into the water. By using our underwater drone, we can find the areas that gets pollution from the land side, and in the future we can put in the correct actions to prevent the garbage for coming into the sea. The land side is the barrier towards the sea, so that's why we need also to look at the land side. How is the waste coming into the water at all?